Yeah, stay back 300 feet. Not responsible for hauling loose stuff that should have been secured. Oh, that one's getting towed. Oh, there's a little red flag on the back. See the little red flag? That means it's being, oh yeah, it's a junk car. It's being towed. You got a little red flag on the back. Steve A.B. 4 just being nosy, saying see you 73.